how does an ND filter transform choppy motorcycle footage into smooth cinematic motion blur? In bright sunlight, action cameras automatically default to ultra-fast shutter speeds. This freezes the road, creating a harsh, digital look. Picture an action camera mounted to your helmet, speeding down a sunlit highway alongside a group of sport bikes. To capture natural motion, the camera's shutter speed must be exactly double your frame rate, like 1/120th for 60 frames per second. But if you force the shutter to stay open that long in direct daylight, way too much light floods in, overexposing the sensor and turning your image completely white. That's where the ND filter comes in, a physical piece of darkened glass. It acts like sunglasses for your camera, drastically cutting the volume of incoming light. Because the excess sunlight is blocked, the shutter can now safely remain open longer. While it's open, the passing environment physically drags and smears across the sensor, creating continuous blur. And that bright, sunny sport bike ride with your group, the choppy footage completely disappears, leaving you with a perfectly smooth, cinematic motion blur.